Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I guess I've been doing a lot of muted videos and not getting the traction from you guys. So I thought, why not start with a voice diecast review video, and this is the pilot video, and I hope you like it. So today we have got these two beauties. As I mentioned earlier, we'll be reviewing the Nissan S15 Silvia Super Silhouette series. You can check out my previous videos where I've reviewed almost 3 cars. These would be number 4 and 5. So yeah, let's go ahead with it. Okay, so let's start with the senior most car. This is the LB Super Silhouette Nissan S15 Silvia, 555 number, 2022 Formula Drift Japan. So as you can see, it was released in 2023 and the model number is 576. Let's open it up. Man, it feels good to open a new unsealed pack, right? Yeah. So we have a very beautiful grayish and purple color packaging for this car. We have got the Liberty Walk branding and the licensing from Nissan Motor Corp. So this is a collab between MiniGT and Liberty Walk series. Let's take this beauty out. So good. This is totally in chrome, as you can see. Beautiful shiny surface in purplish chrome livery with a tinge of green and yellow. Now it's a good looking model. One thing you can observe in this Nissan S15 Silvia models, specifically for drift, they use wide body specifications. You can see this front portion is coming out, and we have a body kit, this portion, to enable maximum drift control for the car. I hope you can see this. This is the modification they used to put on the car. So I know I should talk about the particular model here, but let's talk about why do they use this wide body. If you can see the tire portion from this view, this wide body enables the cars to have a turning degree of 60 to 70 degrees, which will not cause the tire to hit the body. So they have more control over the car while drifting, and the wider body provides more stability to the car as well, without compromising with the control over the car. The spoilers, as you can see, provide an aerodynamic control and provide a downward thrust to the car to have better traction control. So we have a variety of branding on this car. MiniGT has gone to extensive depth to include a lot of brands, and trust me, I want to show you the brands, but it's minutely engrossed in the model. So I'll just talk about the brand which is is prominent, like this Sky Bagan Pride. I think this is a automotive brand from Philippines, and we can see Malusaka. So this is a brand which exports Japanese cars worldwide. We have Saloon Tire. Okay, so this is a tire brand from Vietnam. Lovka. Lovka. I don't know the car, the origins of the company, but yeah, it manufactures engine oil, gear oil sort of things. Then we have DS Drift Show. It's probably a drifting show from Brazil. As you can see, they have mentioned the Brazilian flag on the 555 numbers on the livery, and yeah, it's very much prominent along with the purple chrome. The green and yellow shades from the Brazilian flag. The detailing looks perfect. You can see from this angle. They have this drifting frame from inside, the green color frame, and they have also put the starfish rims, bright green starfish rims to provide a good contrast with the car. It's a beautiful piece. The underbelly design is quite detailed. You have got the rubber grooves. Okay, see a little bit of maybe anomaly in this tire. You can see it's not flat. It happens. So now let's have a close-up view. Let's have a close-up view of the car from various angles. Let's see if I can make this roll. Yeah, it rolls well. This is LB Super Silhouette Nissan S15 Silhouette 555 V2. This is the latest release, 2024 Formula Drift Japan. Let's see. Let's check it out. The packaging complements the green color of this car. It's having a serial number of 823 and the usual Nissan licensing stickers. Okay, let's start with it. Whoa. Let, nice. Now this is a pure beauty like the previous one, but it's slightly different with the golden rims. The green color and the yellow color are, prevalent from the previous model, but the black, the black tints really makes it stand out. This combination is wild, absolutely wild, and the golden rims perfectly combines the stylish livery as well as the car design. Beautiful. See, it's like a patchy black color paint, gives it a funky look. We have this blockchain sports, the usual brand side text Japan MiniGT Lovka. We have this brand Fuel Tech SSR and a few other brands which I'm not able to read because of how minutely they have engrossed it. So this might be DM something. I'll check it out. Let's look at it from the front. Malusaka as usual, which I mentioned in the first section. You can see the Formula Drift Japan branding. It's all pure black interiors in this one. The golden rims look so stunning, man. Let's see from the bottom. Any issues with the tire? Not much like the previous one. So I found some details about this brand, which you can see. It's DM Japan. It specializes in um, conducting tours throughout Japan while driving. Sorry, DM Japan is a brand which tours. It gives a detailed tour of to the tourist about the drift tracks in Japan, and you can drive their cars as well along with the tour. We have this Fuel Tech. This is a Brazilian company which is specializing in Fuel Tech is involved in is a Brazilian company involved. Fuel Tech is a Brazilian company involved in enhancing engine capacity and other things. SSR is a tire brand. Blockchain Sports, which I've recently noticed, it enables a combination of the blockchain technology with sports. We have Lovka, and all these brands I'm not able to read it even with the zoom. So I hope some of you know about these brands. If you're able to decipher this branding, please let me know in the comments. Just Engineering provides the parts for drifting cars, and it's based from I think, Canada. G Shock, I think all know. This is a brand of Casio. They have partnered with Formula Drift Japan. You can see the livery Drift. Let's see if it rolls. Yeah, it rolls perfectly. No issues at all. This is a beauty in its own way. Let's put them side by side and see how it goes. How does it look to you guys? Twins in a different way, right? Yeah. Well, I'll say the left side um, blockchain sports livery looks kind of stylish compared to the right one, which looks simple with lower design patches and all. But yeah, but still, it's stylish in a minimal way. On the left side, it's having a splattered uh, sort of livery, but they both look stunning. Let me give you a front view. Some still shots of the cars.
You say slow down. I don't like to move too fast. It drowns the truth with things that are not real, and I really want us to be real with love, love that lasts. In the past I messed up, gave too much.
Please do like, subscribe, and share. Please do let me know of any things which I need to improve in my future videos on my comments. Thank you.